This is the lecture for Alan Kellner's States of Nature and Immanuel Kant's Doctrine of Right. So the only thing to mention here is that even though the other readings this week were about race, this is not really about race. This is back on colonialism pretty much. But the reason we're doing it this week is because it's pretty short, and so it fits in on Saturday. So just so you're reading it in the right state of mind. So there is at the very end, he does talk a bit about race. Um, in this, like the second to last paragraph, he's referencing a paper that we're not going to read about colonialism and race, which you can read if you want. It's on Canvas because we were going to do it this next week, but instead we're doing revolution. But yeah, this is mostly bringing us back to colonialism, and also this paper is good because it goes over some of the stuff in the Doctrine of Right again, just to refresh our memory as we get to the end.